guide on how to create Deriv account. You are supposed to click this link first. When you are on YouTube, the link is found in the description section of the video. On TikTok, the link is on the bio section of the TikTok account. And on Facebook, Twitter, and all other social media platforms, including Facebook, it can be inside the flyer that you can see there. So let me click the link. You can be directed to this page, and then you need to enter your email here. Let me enter my email. This is my email. After that, you are supposed to click create account. By doing so, we are creating demo account. And then an email, you will see it at the top there. An email can be sent to the email inbox. If you fail to see the email in your inbox, check the spam. Check your spam folder to see if the email is not there. Then after doing so, you are supposed to click the button which is written verify email. If the button is not working, you can copy the red link which is there and then paste on Google Chrome, then verify your email. Having done that, you need to log in. Let me log into my account. You need to log in, because soon after verification, you can be directed to the login page. So let me log in into my account. I am getting into my account now. I'm getting into my account. Yes. Now I'm inside my account. So if you are on this page, you need to go to these three lines, or else you can just start from this page. On this page, you can see this area written Traders Hub. But if you are not directed to this page, you can click these three lines at the top left corner. Let me click them. They are these sections: the Traders Hub, Cashier, Account Settings, etc. But when we are creating an account, we need the Traders Hub. And I'm already on Traders Hub. Let me go to the Traders Hub. When you are on this Traders Hub, you must concentrate and focus on this box, the rectangular box. If you want to create demo account, you can click it and you can see that there is demo and real account. So if you want demo, you can simply choose demo, and then you can see this is the demo and CFDS demo. Then when we are on this demo page and you want to trade on MT5, you go for CFDS. Then if you click CFDS, you can see that there is standard account financial swap free. You need to click the get. Let me click the get. After clicking the get, you need to enter the password. The same password that you entered there, you can enter it here. And then after entering the password, click add account. Let me click add account. The password is incorrect, so you need to place the same password as the one that you placed when you were opening your account. So this is it, guys. You need to enter the correct password and then click add account. After creating your demo account and you are done with the demo account, you now want to create your account. You go back to this Traders App box and then select Real. you need to select Review. After selecting Review, you can go to CFDS. CFDS here. Yes, like this. When you are on CFDS, you can quickly move and see there are also these accounts: standard, financial standard, swap free, zero spread. So I want to talk about this financial standard. You can choose standard or financial standard, and you click this rectangular box, return get, like this. Let me click get. I don't know why it is doing this. Yes, you are supposed to be directed to this page. I don't know why it was mixing the information. So you are supposed to put your password again here, and then you confirm these terms, and then click. Let me put a password here. Let me place a password DG57 hash TYK. Password is done, and then you can see the add account is now in red. Then you are supposed to click add account. Myself, I'm not going to add an account there, and this password is just a dummy password. Then after having done all this, it means you are ready to go. You now need to log into MT5 account. So for you to be able to log into MT5 account, there's another video that I have done already, which shows how to log into MT5 account. So on this video, you can simply go to related videos. This is where you are going to see the video which is talking about how to log in to MT5 account. And there's also another video on how to open and close trades. So all these videos, you will find them on the related videos. Thank you so much. Good time, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the videos. Click the notification button so that you won't miss my future videos. Create account and start trading booms and crashes today. Thank you so much. Good time, goodbye.